Tired of spending too much time in the kitchen? A good vegetable chopper can save you hours. In this video, we've picked the top 5 vegetable choppers that are fast, efficient, and easy to use. Whether you're cooking for one or a whole family, these tools can make prep a breeze. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5, All-in-One Vegetable Chopper from Moeuonb. Make your kitchen prep faster and easier with the All-in-One Vegetable Chopper from Moeuonb. This versatile tool features 8 interchangeable blades, making it perfect for slicing, dicing, grating, and even cutting French fries. Whether you're prepping onions, potatoes, or cheese, this chopper saves you time and effort. The stainless steel blades ensure sharp, long-lasting performance, while the sturdy plastic container keeps everything neat. With a compact size of 12.1 x 5.9 x 6.3, it fits comfortably on your countertop or in a cabinet. Over 900 customers bought it last month, and with a 4.4-star rating, it's clear people love its efficiency, perfect for anyone who loves cooking but hates the hassle. Click below to grab yours now. Number 4, OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Simplify your meal prep with the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, a compact and efficient tool for chopping veggies, herbs, nuts, and more. Designed with a sharp stainless steel blade that rotates as you pump, it delivers even, uniform pieces every time. The ergonomic knob makes chopping effortless, reducing strain on your hand. Perfect for creating salads, salsas, stir-fries, and sauces, this chopper includes a catcher cup with measurement markings, ideal for quick portioning. Its compact size, 8.9 x 4.1 x 3.9, saves space in your kitchen, and the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Weighing just 0.7 pounds, it's portable, easy to store, and built with durable plastic and stainless steel. Backed by over 4,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's a trusted choice for everyday cooks. Number 3, Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Make meal prep effortless with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper Mini Food Processor. Featuring a powerful 350-watt motor, this compact appliance quickly handles chopping, mincing, and pureeing. The stack press design is simple, just press the lid to chop and release to stop. No tricky twisting or locking required. Its 3-cup capacity is ideal for everyday tasks, while durable stainless steel blades easily cut through veggies, nuts, and more. Whether you're prepping salsa, baby food, or salad toppings, this tool saves time and energy. Plus, the oil dispenser in the lid makes emulsifying dressings and dips a breeze. Cleanup is just as easy, bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. Sleek and space-saving, this mini processor is perfect for small kitchens or quick jobs. Number 2, Mueller Pro Series All-in-One Mandoline Chopper. Transform your kitchen routine with the Mueller Pro Series All-in-One Mandoline Slicer Chopper. This premium tool comes with 12 versatile blades, including options for slicing, dicing, grating, and spiralizing, perfect for everything from salads to zoodles. Made with 420-grade stainless steel blades and BPA-free materials, it's built for durability and safe, efficient use. The included container keeps your counter mess-free, while the food holder ensures safe handling of smaller items. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean with the bonus scrubbing fork, it's ideal for busy kitchens. Whether you're prepping onions, cabbage, or decorative veggie pasta, this tool does it all in minutes. Not only does it save time, but it also encourages healthier eating by making vegetable prep effortless. With Mueller's 24/7 live customer support, help is always a call or chat away. Designed for comfort and safety, it features a soft grip TPU handle and a non-slip rubber base, keeping everything steady while you chop. The built-in catch tray helps keep your counter mess-free, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe, BPA-free design. Whether you're a beginner or a pro in the kitchen, this chopper simplifies healthy eating and saves valuable time. With thousands of happy users and viral attention, it's no surprise this tool is a fan favorite. Number 1, Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Upgrade your kitchen with the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer, a 4-in-1 tool that's taken TikTok by storm. This all-in-one chopper makes meal prep fast and fun, perfect for slicing, dicing, and spiralizing veggies with ease. The rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades deliver sharp, precise cuts for everything from cucumbers to potatoes. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing reviews. Check the links in the description to find your favorite products. Your support helps us at no extra cost to you. See you in the next video. Stay awesome and take care.